Hello and welcome. My name is Emily, and in this video I will be giving you a short intro into what LiDAR is. For those of you who are new to geospatial mapping, LiDAR is short for light detection and ranging, which is a technology that uses laser pulses to measure distances and create very accurate and detailed 3D models. LiDAR can be used in conjunction with aerial photogrammetry. The collected data from the system is represented in a point cloud, which is a collection of millions or billions of individual points in a 3D space. Each point corresponds to a specific point on Earth's surface. LiDAR is especially used for terrain modeling and is especially accurate in acquiring elevation data and creating digital elevation models or digital surface models. These models are crucial for understanding the topography of an area. Many projects benefit from the fusion of LiDAR and aerial photogrammetric data by integrating the strengths of both technologies, such as the detailed surface information from LiDAR and the visual content from photogrammetry. With this, more detailed and accurate mapping and modeling results can be achieved. Please see the next tutorial video on how to import a LiDAR plus imagery project into PixElement.